My name is Prakash and today is my first day of the 365-day challenge. I am accepted. But why I must choose of my 365-day challenge in my improving my personality and this improving my language and improving my as a communication skills. The first one are to I am search in this ChatGPT because the 21st century are to most of the person are to available 95% that are available in his mobile. Okay, and waste your time something. And at the time I decided to improve my personality in a ChatGPT. Okay, I search from the ChatGPT how to improve my personality as an English base. Okay, because English just like not a language in the nowadays. Because why? Because English are is a global language and corporate sector language, and the English are nowadays as a currency. Okay, not just like a language. So that time I am decided with the ChatGPT and search from the 365 day how to how to change my life and please you create your as a planning something as a make a schedule. Okay, so first one as a ChatGPT are to first topic is a tell me about yourself and how to journey of far. Okay, so first one my introduction. My name is Prakash. I am completed my BSc Chemistry honor in 2020 and I am as a last semester as a sixth semester I am selected as a clear and dairy sector, but I am decided is finally is a 4 to 5 years experience and I am resign to my job and my all passion follow as a teaching. At the time I am start my journey of the YouTube journey and offline mode as a teacher and online educator, content creator and lots of reading of books as maybe my middle library of the 1000 plus book in my collection and my 850 plus maybe I reading of books. Maybe as I decided to as a how to improve myself is from first practice. At that time I'm a content creator and this my personality growth as a Dwar book as something as a diary and as a Dwar book is very important in my life. Okay, for example you are decided Dwar diary. For example what I did, second one is what I will and achievement of the day and regret of the day. This is the base of your diary. Okay, I suggest for you brother you are to purchase this book and something as a diary. Okay, not a book because your life learning as a your life parameter are to decide here. And second one I am reading a lots of a book and the lots of content and the podcast, watch a podcast and listen to podcast and then not down in my personal diary. Okay, the first one in the time I am decided. Okay, not as a motivate to I'm decided that how to improve my English language, but not that decided. Okay, because this is my inner voice. Okay, not a forcefully and not accepted of the as an updated version for any one person says your English is better than to improve you. Okay, but I'm a decided as a one time you are learning any one time as a age is not matter. Okay, so you are to decide of the English language how to implement. So first priority of myself is a personal growth. Okay, language are not a barrier for my life the development. Language is just like a language. For example, Gujarati language is I speak it easily. Gujarati language I listen to English easily. Okay, I writing English easily. But as a person to grow is not the function of your life. Why? Because the most of the person says English is something Hawa, right? Means as a goal sense language. Okay, you are to speak English, you are to honest person, you are educated person, you are rich person, and that mindset I change absolutely 90 degree. Okay. Because English is just like a language, not your burden in your life. It's just like a language. Gujarati, you speak as Gujarati? Yes, 100% sure. At the time, USA, Canada, and other one country, right? It's the native language of the English, any one country. You speak as Gujarati? Not fluency. Why? Because mother language is English. At the time, India is a Gujarat or two mother languages. Gujarati, you speak is Gujarati, Maharashtra, Marathi, Rajasthan, Rajasthani. Okay. And why? Maybe most of the person says English is my language. But I respect for English, okay? But just like a not a diameter, of option of the English language. You are not a decided of the English language. You are who is a good person, bad person, is an honest person. You are a rich person. This is the barrier of your life. And I am a decided of the 365-day challenge and how to improve my English language at the 365 day by day. As an improvement is finally you are to make a result before and after. I play and the daily one video as a 5 to 6 minutes. I'm decided, okay, anyone, not editing something. As editing means as I am there is wrong words, wrong sentences. I'm not just editing. Just I am वैसा, right? Okay, as well as maybe this is the as well as, okay. So first one priority the English, okay. English I bye bye goodbye in my personal videos group.